Okay, here's a mixed parcel, a few pieces from different fields. The large pieces are from Lightning Ridge. Looks like a piece meant to be, or a few pieces are meant to be amongst it. Perhaps other South Australia. This is what happens with cutters. They work on different pieces, and the offcuts and stuff just get put aside in one bucket, so you end up sometimes with a mixed parcel. Okay, start off with this little piece. A few pieces, slices like this. Make doublet out of it, triplet. That last piece in these, I'd say from South Australia. First piece was probably from Lightning Ridge. Piece of South Australia, possibly. Mind you, sometimes we do get material like this at the ridge. Sell it as unknown field. Not going to cut a gem, but you could just shape that up a little bit, make it into a pendant the way it is, potch and colour. If you want to make doublets, here's a piece of black potch. Fair few. Looks like this piece here is similar. It's got colour bar there on the top. A couple of bits of boulder. I think they're almost throwaways, but it's there, so you get it too. Saw this through here and look at each time and see what, if there's any colour in it. There's a little patch of blue just here on the end, but whether it goes into anything, but sometimes it does. Another piece of potch. Piece of honey potch. Quite often that looked at for sun flash. Anyway, there's still a few pieces there to look at. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.